Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, headphone mic not recognized Windows 11 fix. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Recording Audio. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click Connected Device, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, select your headphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels tab, change to maximum, click Advanced tab. Uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, click Apply, click OK. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone, turn on microphone access and also turn on Let apps access your microphone. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click Connected Device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.